So here is how we can see what your Google account password is. So let me explain it, and if you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the first way would be to see if you have some sort of password manager installed on your phone. So there are apps like 1Password, for example, which is like a secure app where you store passwords for different services, right? So it's possible that if you have something like this installed, you can see that you can save securely stuff to your Amazon account, for example, but also for your Google account. So the first step is to make sure if you have a password manager, and if you do, check it out if you don't see it there. For example, if you also use like other devices, for example, iPhones or something else, you might have the Google password saved there. For example, this is an iPhone where I also use the same account, and inside of the Apple Passwords app, which looks like this, right? You can see you can get inside, and in there I do in fact have the Gmail password saved. So that way, if you have like multiple devices, you can definitely give it a try and see if you, for example, don't have it randomly saved somewhere on the iPad or somewhere else where you would be able to find it. So that's something which you can do. But outside of that, we can only reset the password. So you can follow the official guidelines from Google to like reset it. So you can just look that up, reset Google password, and kind of like browse the options which are available. You can go through the official page and kind of like read through it, and enter your password, and kind of like if you forget it, you can try to use or set up a new one with like recovery emails or phone numbers on a different phones. So hopefully you will be able to get access back to it, but if you don't find it, you can only reset it. So that's what I wanted to explain quickly. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. I'm going to wrap up the video right now. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the future uploads as well.